All right, you guys, the true measure of a man. So I'm going to go over the difference between a meaningful life and a life with no purpose. And to be straight up with you guys, it's all about perspective and perception, the way you perceive things, the way you perceive yourself. Dr. Henry K. Beecher of Harvard Medical School made an interesting observation among the 215 wounded men from Anzio Beachhead in World War II. Only 1 in 4 soldiers with serious injuries, fractures, amputations, penetrated chests, and cerebrums asked for morphine, though it was freely available. So 1 in 4 asked for free morphine. 1 in 4, that's relatively small. They simply did not need help with the pain, and indeed many of them denied feeling pain at all. Beecher, an anesthesiologist, contrasted the soldiers' reactions to what he had seen in private practice being public hospitals, for example, where 80% of patients recovering from surgical wounds begged for morphine or other narcotics. Here you have 2 different groups of people suffering from the exact same things, injuries. The soldiers' responses to pain were impacted by the fact that their injuries carried with them a sense of meaning, a result of being involved in a significant mission for their country. They also had a sense of gratitude that they had survived, yet the civilian patients with the same exact wounds saw their injuries as being depressing and calamitous, and thus they begged for morphine or other narcotics. Just hours before Jesus was taken into custody, he made this point to his disciple in John 16:21. Whenever a woman is in labor, she has pain, because her hour has come. But when she gives birth to the child, she no longer remembers the anguish because of the joy that a child has been born into the world. A mother's pain produces something with meaning, a new life, and for that reason, she can even contemplate repeating the experience without fear or worry. The point I am making is so crucial to grasp. It is foundational if you're going to effectively deal with fear. And to leave you guys with a previous sentence here, finding meaning and purpose behind what we are experiencing in life is everything. The true measure of a man.